How to create a RedNote account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can create a RedNote account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you must have the RedNote application. If you don't have the application yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have the application, now open up the application. After you open it up, you will see this kind of interface where you can log in using various methods. You can either create your account with a phone number where you will receive a verification code via SMS and you have to enter the code to verify your account. Or if you have another options to log in or to create your account using Facebook account or your Google account. So if you want to continue with your phone number, you have to enter your phone number right here. And then you have to verify with a verification code. But for now, we will continue with our Google account. Then tap on Agreed and Continue. Now you have to choose your account. Then tap on Continue. Now you have to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then tap on Next. Now you have to select your interests. Then tap on Start Exploring. Allow the access, or you can skip this as well. And with that, your profile is set up and you have created an account in RedNote, and you can start exploring content, following other users and creating your own posts. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.